print the exhibits out.
Right here. Right here.
They don't X them out because it's set for sentencing, so I can still print out the stuff from this week. Well, once it's taken care of, they remove this.
Good grief, I just wrote 2023.
I was writing
2028? Good grief. At least I'm making us younger, not older.
said I got ready.
What is this? Hers.
I'm gonna go take care of misdemeanors.
All right, ma'am, good morning. Are you Melissa Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment in each case?
So wait,
I'm going to take judicial notice of the court's file. Ms. Taylor was evaluated for competency to stand trial. Dr. Capon did that evaluation. I've received the report dated May 22nd of 2025 with the finding from Dr. Capon that Ms. Taylor is currently competent to stand trial. Is there any other evidence with regard to competency?
Your Honor, I can only say that I've visited with her a couple of times out at the jail and again this morning, and I believe that she's mentally competent.
All right.
I can't say that there's no evidence of mental incompetency because I think that there was at one time the evidence, but there's been none that I've observed that would lead me to think that she's currently mentally incompetent.
All right, and Mr. Nichols?
Nothing to add, Your Honor.
All right, then, based on the report and Mr. Kimmler's comments, I am going to find Ms. Taylor currently competent to stand trial. Now, Ms. Taylor, in cause number 24 DCCR 2177, you're charged with second-degree felony offense of assault on a peace officer from October 2nd of 2024, and how do you plead to that charge?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they've charged you with?
That would be correct, yes.
All right, and in cause number 24, DCCR 2311, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of credit or debit card abuse from October 2nd of 2024, and how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Again, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you did what they've charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of these cases, I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Kimmler?
I did.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a cap of 5 years in the assault on a peace officer case. And then whatever happens, I guess you're pleading open on the other one as long as I run them
I've made a
concurrently.
recommendation for 12 months on that case, Your Honor, and the defense had made a recommendation for probation concurrent with the one day.
Okay, so in essence, a cap of 12 months then? Would
Yes,
that,
Your Honor, that's fair to say.
Concurrent.
with everyone's permission,
Yes,
can I
sir.
make that?
So you're 12 months and 5 years.
Let's see.
But,
Cap. So it would be a cap of 12 months on that state jail case. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. And that's for the
One
one.
of the buildings.
No,
No, it's for a credit
I'm sorry,
card.
credit card.
Yeah.
So what that means is that if we go forward this way, you're leaving your punishment up to me.
Okay.
And as long as I don't give you more than 5 years in the assault on a peace officer case and 12 months on the credit debit card abuse case, then you're waiving your right to appeal. I can give you 5 years, I can give you less. It'll all be determined when I get the information at a sentencing hearing. You have an absolute right to have a jury come in and determine 2 things. The first would be to decide if you're guilty or not. And then if they find you guilty, you could leave your punishment up to them. If we go forward this way, you're waiving that right and leaving it up to me with those ranges that you've agreed to. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes.
State tenders number 1 in each case.
Without objection.
It's admitted in each case. All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of guilty in each case freely and voluntarily. Again, find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your pleas. Find sufficient evidence in each case to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your cases so that the probation department can do a precedence report. That'll give me more information about you, your cases, and then we will cut back later for sentencing. Anything that you think is important for me to know, be sure and get that information to Mr. Kimler. He'll present it to me